Welcome to the Opal shop. Here we've got a lovely large piece of Boulder Opal. It has been already reshaped, pre-shaped. The rule in this is 13 millimeters, and the stone has been wetted so we can enhance those lovely colors. And here's a close-up of its lovely shades of green and blue. It's quite fiery. Here's the back, nicely polished. Here's the lovely front of it. Can definitely be finished off and become easily a knife handle, or can be cut and repurposed as pendants, if you will. You can cut around the best parts of it, or any other type of trinkets and jewelry you'd like. And this is it, our lovely Boulder Opal. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely one.